Hi, I'm Mervin Budram, entrepreneur, business owner, host of the Creative Monday Discussion Show, as well as a gospel recording artist. And I am here in Belize City at the Downtown Plaza, and I'm about to do some shopping at Plett Electronics. Let's go. All right, so basically, as you know, I do a lot, and my phone is really essential to my production and my life and keeping everything on schedule, keeping everything moving. And what happened, my phone broke. Well, the back of my phone broke and my case got kind of old, right? So I was asking around where should I go, who would be the best place to check out for this, and I was encouraged to come and check out Plett Electronics. And the cool thing about Plett, they have branches all over the country. There's one here in Belize City. This is the first time I'm gonna be here, so I'm looking forward to it. And they also have a branch in Belmopan, San Ignacio, and Spanish Lookout, right? So we're gonna go in, meet the staff. I'm gonna see if I can find some a case and find a backing from my phone, and we'll see how it happens. Let's go. Hey, hi, morning.
Good morning.
Mervin Budram.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I heard that this is the place to come to check out, to get accessories for phones, to actually fix my phone.
That's the right place.
Yeah.
That's the right place you came to.
What happened, my phone fell. You can see here.
Yes,
and
it looks a little bit broken.
Yeah.
I think we can help you with this.
All right, awesome. So I need to get this replaced, and I also need to get a case for it. So I don't know if you guys have anything that.
Yes, we do have the back glass. We have cases for it, tempered glass, everything.
Okay.
So I can show you options, and
Sure.
then let's look at it. Basically, we have the items to replace.
Perfect. And
fix the
case.
phone.
My phone is my life. I keep everything organized, so I really need to protect it more. So
yes, after this crack, I feel like you do need a case for it, right? So we do have cases. If you come on this side, we have iPhone cases on All right,
so I will go with this one. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by.
Awesome. So this is Mervin Budram shopping at Belize's #1 electronics store. Take care.